welcome back to the stream or the videos if you're on YouTube. I'm about to play the eagerly anticipated Untitled Goose Game. And when I mean eagerly anticipated, I mean by me. I got to play a demo of this game back at PAX West of last year, 2018, and I have been so waiting for this moment. I've been tormented by so many jerk birds, or jerk burbs, as we like to call them, in multiple video games, and now I get to be the jerk burb. I am ready to mess some stuff up. We are playing Untitled Goose Game. We are playing. Also, Knobcone, bless your heart for using the dancing hot dog. Hey, Mockingjay! Unvolumed raid video. I'm so excited! Untitled Goose Game, Untitled Goose Game. We're playing, we're gonna be a goose. Press Y to honk. Hey, Chris! Ooh. I want to go to those bells. Living my dreams of becoming a goose. Ah, I've got a boot. I've got a boot. Boot, 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 boot. I've got a can. Gonna put the can on the boot. I was seeding those beans. I was seeding those beans. Oh.
Subway 100 bonus 10. Hope you're having a good day. I don't think I've been here since changing my name, but I was Potato Foreman. Less than 3.
Thank you very much, sir. You're a gentleman and a scholar.
Thank you so much, Potato Vixen, for the 110 biddies. That's my favorite lucky number. We're gonna be a lucky goose today. Thank you for that. And, okay, I remember Potato Foreman, so now you're Potato Vixen. Got it. And, Dana, thank you so much for hosting. Can I pick up a mushroom? No, I can't. Okay. I've got a boot. I've got a boot. I've got a boot. Hey, 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 hey. Jazz, hello. Goose antics are best antics. Yeah. Booty, 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 booty. Ha ha ha. Ha ha ha. I'll mess up the gate. My friend has a whole bit in his stand-up comedy routine about how much he hates geese. Yes, Plutonia. Look at how fast I'm swimming. I'm zooming around the pond lake thing. Look at how fast I can go. Exactly. That's why my friend hates geese, because they like attack. But I'm the goose now. Yes, this game is a goose simulator. We're the assholes now, mister. Aha. Nah, 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 nah. Chickens taste better. Is that the replacement slogan for We Are the Wolves? No. The replacement slogan for We Are the Wolves is We Are the Geese. Honk honk. To do. Get into the garden. Get the groundskeeper wet. Steal the groundskeeper's keys. Make the groundskeeper wear his sun hat. Rake in the lake. Have a picnic. Bring to the picnic blanket, sandwich, apple, pumpkin, carrot, jam, thermos, radio, basket. Oh, I already threw the sandwich in the... I have tasks. I have things to do. I have geesy objectives. I'm gonna go. How scientifically accurate this game is? What do you mean? Have yourself a merry little picnic. Hey Hash, how are ya? What else am I supposed to do? Sandwich. Oh, I need the whole sandwich there. All right. I've got to get it out of the lake. Yeah. You'd make a game about a dog? We all know I would make a cat simulator game. Sorry, guys, my nose ring is... There we go. Sorry. I need that radio. Where'd the radio go? He took it. Oops. What? I shut it. No. I piss him off again. to steal a pumpkin. You're calling the goose Yogi? Oh, because of the picnic. Amazing. I want to bite him. Doesn't see me. I'm gonna get the carrot. Carrot, I've got a carrot. I've got a carrot. Yeah, 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 yeah. This is the greatest thing ever. 10 out of 10 would recommend. Oh, if it's gonna play every time, he's totally gonna catch me. How do I get him over here? Oh snap, I'm gonna get the pumpkin! Let's go! The power of Goose compels me. Yes! I know, I can't sneak. Oh my gosh, sorry guys. My nose ring is just like coming out of my face. Go, Yogi, go! Go, Yogi, go! Let's steal another pumpkin. I'm gonna put it here. I need you to see that the pumpkin is there so that I can get you wet. Is he coming for the pumpkin? I'm a troublemaker. I'm a troublemaker. Hey, 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 hey. Is he gonna fix the pumpkin? Yes. Yes. Oh, I don't think I got him wet. Thought I got him wet. Look, you found that pumpkin. Good job. Oh, thank you, Thunder Connor. Have a good time elsewhere. Let's see, how am I gonna get... I don't need the apple. Do need the jam though. like bread and jelly. No, not that way. That's not the way I wanted to go. How do I get you to wear the other hat? I don't think I can. Oh, I can jump up on things. Can I jump up on things? Unclear. Bend down for that. Bend down for that apple, buddy. Let me get your hat. Oh! Bite his butt cheeks. Thank you for the lurk, Sorrel. Appreciate you. How do I get his hat off so that I can make him wear the other hat? What I need to do. Nope, I need your hat. Ah! I did bite his butt. He's like, I've got my eye on you. He put it back on! Where can I put it so that he puts the other hat on? Yeah, soggy hat does not sound fun. This is the other hat. I just have to put it further out into the lake, maybe? Don't mind me, I'm just taking your rake. Taking your rake, gonna put it in the lake. Goodbye, lake. Rake in the lake. Goodbye. Check me out, I'm a ghost. Check me out, I'm a ghost. Where is he? Where'd he go? I need his hat. I'm more of a honk. Hey, Denmark! Honk, honk. Honk, honk. I'm a ghost. Honk, honk. I'm a ghost. Yeah, I didn't mean to accidentally steal his keys, which got him near his. Would you do some gardening, please? Team honk! Honk, honk. Dang it. I lost my opportunity. These look ready. These look look ready. I feel like it's time for you to pick them. I'm trying to help. I'm trying to help. It's clearly harvesting time. Oh, how do I make him go back to being on the ground? Doing... Hey, buddy. Don't you want to dig with this? Don't you want to dig? Damn it. When he bends down to pick things up, he doesn't get low enough. I've got to bring the rest of the stuff to the picnic. I have to get him to wear the other hat. That might be it. Oops. Yeah, the picnic and the hat. I just need the thermos and the radio. I did see that. I don't know if I would play those games, though. I've actually never played a Lego game before. I have all the Lego Harry Potter games, and I really want to play them. Tony might want them. Damn it, dude! How am I supposed to get your hat? I just want you to wear your sun hat, dude. I think you'll look way more stylish. Yes, please. Go dig a hole in the dirt so I can... Lego Force Awakens. I saw at E3 this year demo for the newest Lego Star Wars game, which will include like all of the movies and all of the planets, and it looked really cool. Oh, where is he digging? He's not digging over here. I'm just watching. I am innocent. No, it just took so long. Damn it. Elias, thank you for giving a gift sub to Geese. Thank you. Welcome, Geese. Went the wrong frickin' way. No! Oh God! Go ahead. Do your thing. No! Oh, this is most frustrating. Oh, he was going. Stay very still. Thank you, Philip. Ugh, I don't want your pumpkin. I thought. Bro, I just need your hat. I just need your hat. I just need your hat. Come on. You know you wanna. I'm. Ugh. Didn't realize I had knocked your pumpkin out of place. It's not my intent. I just want your stupid hat. Oh my god, let's go. Let's go. It's time to get the hat gone. You're never gonna get it now. It is over here. Fancy seeing your rake in there, huh? Fancy seeing your rake in the lake, huh? Hee 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 hee. Goodbye, dear Cap. Time for your sun hat. Nailed it! Duck day trolling. A new to-do item. Make the groundskeeper hammer his thumb. Oh, that's so mean. I need this Thomas. I need it for my picnic. I just need the radio now. We have booze? I think we have coffee. I don't know. Where is it? Who knows? Oh. No geese! F this sign. What you gonna do now? There's no sign that says I'm not allowed. No honk sound alert? Oh, that's a good point. I should make sure my extensions are refreshed. He doesn't even realize that his sign is gone? He was hammering the sign in. The no geese sign.
Thank you very much, sir. You're a
Charlotte, thank you for the
gentleman and a scholar.
host. Why does he doesn't realize I think I have to bring the sign closer. Hey, buddy. What about your sign? I got it! Oh! Need the radio for my picnic! I'm dancing! I'm dancing! Oh yeah, dancing to the tunes! Oh! You're not gonna notice all your other stuff I stole? Literally took a pumpkin. What? That was the next objective's like, murder the groundskeeper. It gets real dark real fast. Murder him. Thank you guys so much for the awesome stream. If you're watching this on YouTube, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep watching these awesome Let's Play videos. I'll see you next time, or you'll see me. I won't see you, but you'll see me. Bye.